Okay, today starts the long-awaited sidewalk project. This project's been in the makings for a decade. When we bought this house, we agreed that we were going to fix the sidewalk, and a decade later the sidewalk is still the same way, and we fixed a lot of other things in the house. So the decade-long project is going to start today. I don't know what all it's going to entail, what all it's going to involve, but come along with me on the way and we'll see what happens. Let's get started.
Okay, what I did here was I was using an electric Hilti. It's kind of like a small jackhammer, and I would drill four evenly spaced holes across the concrete, using any cracks to assist. And then I would take a large, long-handled sledgehammer and hit it right in the middle. And then I would go back to the Hilti, use it as kind of a device to get into the cracks and make a wedge. And I would prise those areas up and put them into the cart. And that's going to do it for the decades-awaited project of removing the sidewalk. We have a lot more concrete to remove tomorrow, but we'll get started on it first thing in the morning. And that's the way I do it. We'll see you next time.